En esta lección aprenderemos el past perfect o el pasado perfecto. Lo usamos para describir una acción que ocurrió antes de otra acción completada. Por ejemplo, we had packed our bags when the airline sent us the message about the flight cancellation. Pongamos la frase en la línea de tiempo. La primera acción completada está en el past perfect. We had packed. La segunda actividad es en pasado simple o past simple. The airline sent the message. Estas dos actividades son actividades finalizadas en periodos de tiempo finalizados. Los tiempos nos dicen el orden de los eventos, independientemente del orden en la narración. Aquí está la estructura de la oración. Had más el past participle del verbo. I had completed college. Had he delivered the pizza? We hadn't tested the product. I had acortamos a I'd. You had es you'd. He had es he'd. She had es she'd. We had es we'd. Y they had es they'd. Mira este ejemplo. I had completed the report before the boss asked for it. Es mismo que when the boss asked for the report, I had completed it. La primera acción completada está en el pasado perfecto. I had completed. La segunda acción completada está en el pasado simple. The boss asked. Ahora inténtalo. We were late for the plane because we had forgotten our passports. ¿Cuál es el orden de los eventos? Pausa el vídeo si necesitas más tiempo. We had forgotten our passports sucedió primero. We were late sucedió segundo. Uno más. I hadn't studied for the test, so I was very nervous. I hadn't studied sucedió primero. I was very nervous sucedió segundo. The lights went off because we hadn't paid the electric bill. We hadn't paid the electric bill sucedió primero. The lights went off sucedió segundo. She said she'd never eaten Chinese food before. She had never eaten Chinese food sucedió primero. She said sucedió segundo. Ahora completa la oración con past perfect y past simple. I had worked in sales for 10 years before I worked in marketing. Uno más. Mary was very happy to see that her son had cleaned his room. Y así es como usamos el past perfect.